A street sweeper is nothing without heavy-duty and reliable brooms. Which is why at Owen Equipment, we're committed to providing you with a wide range of broom replacements for cost-effective and reliable street sweeping, serving as your one-stop shop for gutter brooms, tube brooms, strip brooms, and more. Tube brooms, also known as main brooms, are built on a solid steel core with a spiral channel and come tightly packed with polyfilament throughout the length of the tube. With improved filament distribution, these brooms deliver excellent surface coverage when sweeping up dirt, mulch, leaves, and general road debris. While our tube brooms handle a variety of sweeping tasks, it's our gutter brooms that deliver aggressive sweeping through hard-to-reach curbs, gutters, and tight spaces along roadsides. Our strip brooms excel in heavy-duty DOT conditions like gravel, sand, and other large forms of material, with bristles arranged in a linear pattern along a central core and channels for replaceable broom strips. Plus, they require less storage space than tube brooms if space is a concern, and are stiffer for the purpose of moving larger objects. For more information on operational techniques, daily inspections, and extending the life of your brooms and sweepers, get in touch with an Owen Equipment expert at one of our 5 locations to schedule a demo or consultation today.